Welcome back to your favorite English channel. I'm Shannon.
And I'm George. We're happy to see you again.
Today, we're diving into one of the most common topics in everyday life, talking about your job in English.
Yes, whether you're meeting someone new, introducing yourself in class, or just chatting at a cafe, people often ask, "So, what do you do?"
Exactly. And for English learners, that question can sometimes feel stressful because you want to sound clear and confident.
But don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to describe your job naturally, just like a native speaker.
Let's get started.
Let's imagine this. You're sitting in a cafe in New York. Someone friendly sits next to you and says, "Hey, what do you do?"
You smile, and in your head, you're thinking, how do I say this in English?
You work as an engineer, or maybe a nurse, or a teacher. But suddenly, you can't find the words.
That's what today's lesson is for. We'll show you simple sentences, key phrases, and natural expressions that help you talk about your job easily and confidently. Let's begin with one of the most common questions. What do you do?
This means, what's your job? Or what's your profession?
To answer, you can use one of these patterns. I'm a job. I work as a job. I work for company or organization. I work in industry or field.
Here are some examples. I'm a teacher. I work as a nurse. I work for an international company. I work in marketing.
If you're a student, you can say, I'm a student, or I'm studying engineering.
And if you're between jobs, you can say, I'm looking for work, or I'm between jobs right now.
Nice and natural. No need to say complicated things. Keep it simple and friendly.
Now, after you say your job title, people often ask, where do you work?
Here are some natural answers. I work at a hospital. I work in a bank. I work for a tech company. I work at a school.
Let's give a few real examples.
I work at a private school. I teach English to middle school students. I work at a hotel in the city center. I work for a design company. We create logos and websites for clients.
Notice that Shannon didn't use long sentences. Short and clear is best for daily conversation.
Next, let's talk about what you do every day at work.
You can start with, I usually, my main job is to, I spend most of my time, I'm responsible for.
For example, I usually answer emails and talk with clients. My main job is to manage a small team. I spend most of my time helping customers. I'm responsible for training new employees.
Those are great. They sound professional and natural.
Even if your English is simple, those sentences make you sound confident.
Let's go through some important verbs you can use to describe what you do.
Here's a list for you. Work, I work from 9 to 5. Manage, I manage a team of designers. Help, I help customers solve problems. Design, I design clothes. Fix, I fix computers. Teach, I teach math. Sell, I sell real estate. Write, I write reports and emails. Build, I build houses. Cook, I cook meals for guests.
These are simple but powerful. Combine them with I or we, and you can describe almost any job.
Exactly. Try this exercise. Think about your job and say 3 sentences with those verbs. Now, people might ask, do you like your job?
Here are some ways to answer. Yes, I love it. Yes, I do. It's very interesting. It's challenging, but I enjoy it. I like working with people. I like helping others. I like that I learn something new every day.
And if you don't like your job, you can say, it's okay. It's not bad. It can be stressful sometimes. It's tiring, but it pays the bills.
That's a very real answer.
Yes, and honest answers make the conversation more natural.
A lot of learners want to explain their work schedule. Here are some easy ways to do that.
I work full-time. I work part-time. I work from Monday to Friday. I usually start at 9 and finish at 5. I work night shifts. I work on weekends.
If you want to describe flexibility, you can say, my schedule is flexible. I sometimes work from home. I have meetings in the morning.
Simple and clear, perfect for daily conversations.
Now let's talk about your workplace atmosphere, what it's like to work there.
You can say, I work with great people. My coworkers are friendly. We have a good team. My boss is very supportive. The office is small but comfortable.
Or if you're being polite about a difficult job, you can say, it's a busy place. There's always something to do. It can be stressful sometimes.
Exactly. You don't need to complain. Just describe it honestly and calmly.
Now, sometimes people ask, what's your dream job? Or what would you like to do in the future?
Here are some ways to answer. In the future, I'd like to work abroad. I'd love to start my own business. I want to become a manager. Someday, I want to teach English online. I hope to get a promotion soon.
Talking about your goals is a great way to continue the conversation, and it helps you practice future tense in English naturally.
Let's talk quickly about culture. In the US, it's normal to talk about work casually. People often ask, what do you do, early in a conversation?
Yes, it's not a personal question. It's just a way to connect. Americans usually describe their job in a friendly, simple way, not too serious.
For example, someone might say, I'm in education, or I'm in healthcare, or I work in real estate.
Those phrases sound professional but relaxed.
Let's hear some mini conversations you might have in real life. Example 1. A. Hi, nice to meet you. What do you do?
B. I'm a nurse. I work at a local hospital.
A. Oh, that must be interesting.
B. Yes, it is. I meet a lot of people every day.
Example 2. A. So, what do you do for a living?
B. I'm a software engineer. I work for a company that builds apps.
A. That sounds cool. Do you like it?
Yes, it's challenging, but I enjoy solving problems.
Example 3. A. Do you work full-time or part-time?
B. I work part-time in a cafe. I'm also studying business.
Perfect. Notice that all of these are short, natural, and friendly. That's the key to good English conversation. Let's quickly review today's key phrases. Repeat after us. I'm a teacher. I work as a nurse. I work for a big company. I'm responsible for managing projects. I like helping people. I work from Monday to Friday. My coworkers are friendly. I'd like to start my own business.
Those simple patterns will help you talk about your job in any situation, a conversation, a meeting, or even an interview.
And remember, if you make a mistake while talking about your job, don't stop. Just keep going.
Yes, you can always fix it naturally. If you say something wrong, just smile and correct yourself. Oh, sorry, I mean...
Native speakers do that all the time. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep the conversation moving.
And the more you talk about your job, the easier it becomes.
Today, you learned how to describe your job, your workplace, your daily routine, and your goals in English.
Yes, and every time you talk about your work, you're practicing real English.
Try this. Later today, record yourself talking for 1 minute about your job. Listen and notice your progress each week.
And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please don't forget to subscribe to your favorite English channel for more fun and real English lessons like this.
You can support our YouTube channel on Buy Me a Coffee. Every donation helps us make new English lessons for special English learners like you.
And please do check out Udemy courses, where you can find real English conversations, pronunciation, and daily English for your life.
Like, share, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what's your job? We'd love to hear how you describe it in English.
Thank you for listening. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and remember, your English grows every time you use it.